How to make money on YouTube in 2024, and what creators should expect. Trying to figure out how to make money on YouTube. YouTube's audience is massive. Viewers are logging in daily on the platform, watching hours upon hours of content each week. Not to mention YouTube's ad revenue is predicted to reach a staggering $30.4 billion in 2023. Along with the classic monetization techniques, we've included fresh, innovative ways to earn money on the platform in 2023. 10 ways to make money on YouTube that actually work. Recent YouTube stats show the platform is a goldmine for creators. But monetizing content on YouTube can be tricky. Creators shouldn't sacrifice entertainment value or authenticity for dollars and cents. Let's dive into 10 opportunities to make money on YouTube and how they work. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows creators to earn revenue with ads run on their videos. Chances are you've seen your fair share of YouTube ads. From in-video to pre-roll, ads are a relatively hands-off way to make money on YouTube. In terms of how much money you can make from ads, there are too many variables for a straight answer. Your viewers' demographics such as location and age. Whether there are relevant advertisers for your videos. Your content and industry. According to YouTube themselves, there are no guarantees for payouts or revenue share. While $1 per 1,000 views used to be the norm, times have changed. As the YouTube algorithm has evolved, so have the partner program and ad policies. Earn support from subscribers with a channel membership. YouTube's channel memberships are specifically designed to support creators looking to make money. Subscribers pay a monthly fee in exchange for channel-specific perks. This might include exclusive content, chat badges and more. These benefits vary based on your membership tier. Put promotional links in your video descriptions. Promo links are a low-hanging way to make money on YouTube without running ads. Your video descriptions are valuable real estate and YouTube gives you 5,000 characters to work with. Funneling your YouTube viewers to relevant links is a no-brainer. Feature sponsors in your videos. Sponsored YouTube videos are popular among big and up-and-coming creators alike. Through sponsored content, you're specifically promoting a brand within your video. These call-outs are typically done at the beginning and end of the video. Since these forms of ads are literally part of your content, they can't be skipped. Audiences are sometimes critical of sponsored videos when the sponsorship is totally irrelevant to the creator, their content or viewership. The best sponsored videos represent some sort of creative tie-in that doesn't distract from the creator's style. Publish product-focused promotional videos. Branded videos are created with the specific intent to promote a product or service. These types of videos are common among beauty and skincare brands where creators unbox PR packages on camera. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about leveraging your influence to drive sales for other brands. As a creator, you can partner with brands to promote their products or services within your content. You discuss products in your videos and then provide a direct way for viewers to check them out. This tactic is extremely popular among review channels and creators making how-to content. Note: affiliate links are totally allowed and don't violate YouTube's TOS. However, the platform does have an explicit policy for external links. Make sure to review YouTube's guidelines before dropping links in your videos. Take advantage of crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a great way to build community while funding your content creation. It's like having your fans chip in to support your next big project. Platforms like Patreon allow your supporters to contribute a monthly amount in exchange for exclusive content and perks, like BTS footage, shoutouts or early access to new videos. You could also look into other crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo to fund your creative projects. Just make sure to share a link with your viewers and always deliver on your promise. Sell merchandise and custom products. Selling branded items on YouTube is a smart way to earn money, boost visibility and build a closer relationship with your followers. But this type of social shopping works best if you already have a loyal fan base willing to spend money on your merch. Depending on your niche, you could sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, caps or art. You can also hire freelance designers on Fiverr or use Canva to create your own creative designs to hand over to suppliers. Enable YouTube Super Chat and Super Stickers. A cool thing about YouTube is you can engage with your audience directly and get paid for it, thanks to Super Chat and stickers. Here's how it works. During a live stream, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted in the chat. They can also send super stickers, paid animated images that float up in a live chat. If you host regular live sessions, super chats and stickers are a fantastic way to boost YouTube engagement, earn extra revenue and make your audience feel warm and fuzzy inside. License your content to external media companies. If you happen to create a viral video, or something unique or newsworthy, other platforms or media outlets might want a piece of it. Licensing allows them to use your content, but for a fee. It's a way to earn from content you've already created and can amplify your content's reach beyond your channel. Making any level of income from YouTube requires conscious effort and consistency. That said, countless creators are making it happen with their content. Whether through ads, sponsorships or crowdfunding, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your videos. Hopefully, these tips can help you find a way that makes sense for you.